In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get every or whatever Steam achievements you'd like for any game. Steam Achievement Manager, or SAM, is an open source program that allows the user to organize and unlock any achievement available for any game on the Steam platform. Once extracted, you should have two executables available. The one you're after is named sam.picker.ez. Launch the program and allow it a few seconds to scan for available games. On the first launch, this may take up to half a minute. SAM should display all the games connected to your Steam account. Don't see a game? Head over to the Steam page and search for the game you're after. You can then copy and paste the app into the blank field next to Add Game. Still having problems? It might be worthwhile ensuring the game is installed and detected on Steam. After selecting your game from the list, or pulling it up with the app, SAM will bring up a list of all the achievements available for that title. Hit commit changes once you're ready for the achievements to unlock on Steam. Once you do, you should see the achievement pop-ups trigger, assuming Steam is currently running. If it isn't running, check out your profile on Steam to ensure the changes went through. Note that you can also lock achievements over again using this same method. Just deselect the achievements instead. There are a few reasons you'd want to do this, but it's still handy that you can.